Hey guys, and welcome to week 0. We
Huh?
want to make sure that you know how to navigate the slides that you'll get in each of your Google Classrooms for each period this week. So at the beginning of the period, you'll get a slide that is similar to this. It'll have the date, followed by the period in which it corresponds. But the part that you want to pay attention to is the agenda that's in the center green square. The agenda will list every single item that you need to complete for that day's lesson. It's always going to start with the Start Here, Please Watch video, and you'll locate that video where I'm